Hi everybody, so welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video we will be comparing the Ultimate Guitar and the Songster of which one is the best for learning. So if you're learning guitar in 2025, Ultimate Guitar and both Songster are two top apps, but they cater slightly to different needs. Ultimate Guitar has the largest online library of user-submitted tabs, including chords, official tabs, and interactive tools like the Tab Pro Player, chord diagram, and even a tuner and backing tracks. It is perfect for players who want a wide range of songs and flexibility in learning styles. On the other hand, Songster. So Songster right here offers an accuracy and simplicity with official high-quality tabs and a clean interface. Its standout feature is the real-time playback with notation, making it ideal for sight reading and timing practice. Unlike Ultimate Guitar, Songster doesn't allow users submitted tabs, so quality is consistent but the library is actually smaller. So if you prefer clean and reliable tabs with playback, so obviously you want to go with the stairway. But if you want versatility and community input, then you want to go with the ultimate guitar.